When you unbox this package and remove the robot, peel this sticker and turn it over, snap on the brushes and plug it in, fill up the tank and return to the base, turn it on and place it in the dock, and when you hit play, it uses radar to map out your house before hoovering everything in its path. The cool bit though is that once the hoovering is finished, it will return to the base station, empty the dust into this tank, use electromagnets to automatically pick up its mop pads, and give the floor a damn good scrubbing. When the pads get dirty, it self-cleans them and deposits the grim water into this tank to be disposed of. It has no workers' rights, uses AI to avoid obstacles, the camera on the front so you can patrol your house when out and about. If you want more details, it's linked in my bio.